Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Renogy's new 200 watt portable solar suitcase. One of the really nice features about this suitcase is it actually comes with a built-in 20 amp solar charger. Lots of them do not have that. This means all you need is a battery and an inverter and you're good to go. The solar panel has a spring-loaded handle on top here that seems really sturdy. It also comes with this hard case to protect it if it's bouncing around in the back of your truck or your car. Setting it up is super easy. All you have to do is take out the case, unclip these clips on top here that hold it together. Once you have it unfolded, you just flip the legs out here, and these can actually be adjusted depending on the angle of the sun and what angle you kind of want to set up. The kit also comes with this cable, and it also has a built-in fuse, which is super nice. 15 amps. Don't have to worry about buying those MC4 built-in fuses. Alligator clamps right here. All we have to do is clip negative to negative, positive to positive, and then plug these into the cord that goes to the Renogy Voyager solar charge controller. Now this is rated for 20 amps and it actually just like is hanging here, but it does have Velcro that it sticks to, so when you fold it up you want to make sure that you tuck the solar controller back in there. I do really like this heavy duty cable that they have going here, so if you accidentally step on it, run around the campsite, even drive over it, I'm sure it'll be just fine. Okay, so we are all hooked up. This is the Renogy Pro lithium battery. It's awesome. I love it. I have a review on it if you want to check it out. One thing this setup actually doesn't have is Bluetooth. It'd be really nice if they had Bluetooth built into this controller. Once you're all connected up, you want to go ahead and select your battery type. You do that by holding this button down for 3 seconds, and this can work with any type of battery. I've set mine to the lithium iron phosphate setting, and on top here there is a switch between volts and amps. So right now we're getting 1.6 amps. It's not honestly a very sunny day, so that makes sense. We're pretty clouded and we got some tree coverage, and 13 volts. This is a really basic, easy setup that anyone can really do. Like I said, all you need is an inverter to hook up to the battery and you're good to go to draw some power out of it and then also keep charging. This setup honestly is a little on the heavier side. It does come in at about 36 pounds, and for 200 watts that is a little heavier, but it is very well built and quite durable. Renogy does have a 400 watt solar suitcase that is 30 pounds, so you're getting double the watts and half the weight, and it's carbon fiber, whereas this one is going to be like an aluminum frame. But like I said, quite durable. You have like adjustments here for the legs and they just fold right back up when you want to take it down. All right guys, the sun just came out a little bit. We're getting a whole 2.3 amps. You can also see how many amp hours you've gotten since it's been set up. The sun came out a little more and I adjusted the panels, and now we are getting a decent amount of solar for sure. Up around 6 amps, which is pretty good, especially for like a treed campsite. If you have any questions about the Renogy 200 watt solar suitcase, feel free to leave them below in the comments. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.